Alright guys, Mikey here from Electric Scooter Guy. And we're going to do a video today, guys, on the Vsett 10 Plus. Because I'm looking to actually buy this scooter. Even though I have 4 electric scooters, the Yumi D5 Plus that I have is going to go to my nephew. So I really only have 3 electric scooters. My Alibaba 2800 watt electric scooter, then I got the Kaabo Wolf Warrior 11 Plus, and then the Dualtron Ultra 2, and I think I'm going to add this Vsett 10 Plus to my lineup because I think it's an amazing scooter. It's the best 10-inch scooter on the market. The performance of this scooter is just unbelievable. 2 1400 watt motors, and I would get it with the 28 amp hour battery, not the 25 amp hour battery or the 21 amp hour battery, because I need range because I get a lot of range anxiety, and 28 amp hours, even though I always like to go 30 amp hours or more, 28 should be good enough because they say this scooter at 28 amp hours is a pretty good battery and it goes for a pretty long time compared to a lot of other 28 amp hour batteries. Now, I love the turn signals on the side. I love everything about the scooter. The suspension, the swing arms, the mud guards, the tires. I mean, they really knocked it out of the park with this scooter. The color scheme is unbelievable as well. The yellow and black, it looks like a bumblebee. It really does. It's just one hell of a scooter for a 10-inch scooter. It's definitely the best 10-inch scooter I have ever seen in my life. And I think that it would make a great fit to my collection because I don't really have any 10-inch scooters because, like I said, the Yumi D5 Plus is going to go to my nephew. Now, guys, there's a lot to like about this scooter. There really is. The folding mechanism is rock solid. Absolutely rock solid. The kick plate for your back foot is angled perfectly. It's got a nice thick kickstand. It's got nut hydraulic brakes, not those Zoom hydraulic brakes. So it's got really good hydraulic brakes. I love the nut brakes. And to be honest with you, this is better than the Vsett 11 Plus, which is like $400 more. And the reason why it's only $400 more and it's an 11-inch scooter is because of the fact that the Vsett 10 Plus is such an amazing scooter and the performance you get out of it is unbelievable. The bike does 50 miles an hour, but it gets up to 50 miles an hour super fast. From 0 to 40, it's faster than my Kaabo Wolf Warrior, and it's faster than the Vsett 11 Plus. And now, guys, look at the folding mechanism. What a great design they did to this folding mechanism. It is super rock solid. It's got 3 safety, 3 safety things where if one, part of the clamp fails, you still got another part of the clamp, well, 2 other parts of the clamp. You know what I mean, guys? It's just got 3 safety mechanisms to the clamp. And it's rock solid because a friend of mine, he has this scooter. And not for nothing, I rode it. Oh my God, I loved it. The suspension was beautiful. I mean, everything just felt solid. The stem is super tight. It's even tighter than my Dualtron. And then as you can see on the screen, the handlebars fold down. You just twist those 2 yellow things right there. You see on the screen? You just twist one left and one right, and the handlebars collapse. They don't shake. They don't move. They're nice and tight. Rock solid. The speedometer is awesome. It lights up very bright. You could see it during the day. You could see it during the evening, the nighttime, whatever. But, you see the lighting on the mudguard in the front? I don't like it. Because when you go over bumps, right, the light bounces up and down. Because obviously the light is attached to the mudguard, which is attached to the suspension, which is attached to the tire. So when you go over bumps, the light goes up and down, and with the handlebars not being so wide, you really can't fit much on the handlebars. I don't even think you could put a kiddie bar on the handlebars. You might be able to fit a cell phone holder or maybe one light, but that's about it. Now, it's got the sport mode, obviously, dual motor mode and single motor mode. But when you put it in sport mode, you only get 2 minutes of sport mode. Then it goes back to eco mode, which is pretty good. I don't know. It's a pretty good concept. But to be honest with you, I want to be in turbo mode. You know, if I want to be in turbo mode for 3-4 minutes, I should have the choice to be in turbo mode for 3-4 minutes. But I guess if you shut it off and then turn it back on, you could get another 2 minutes. But anyways, guys, let me know if you think I should grab the Vsett 10 Plus, because I think it's an amazing scooter. It does 50 miles an hour, 28 amp hour battery. It weighs only 88 pounds. I think it's the best 10-inch scooter on the market. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Mikey from the Electric Scooter Guy. Peace out.